Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to bend a person in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Use JPG image or PNG any mode, then click edit tab. First of all select the person layer, then click edit tab, puppet warp and click anywhere. Example, click any point anywhere, then see this result, move, bend, curve. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click again, right click on your mouse, delete pin